Hello and welcome back to Business Analyst Blueprint podcast series. This is episode 4 and today we are diving into the exciting world of business analyst specializations. As the field of business analysts grows and so does the career path, today we'll explore some of the most popular specializations, including the roles of product owner, data analyst, and more. If you are looking to understand the options available to you as business analyst, or you are thinking of branching out, stay tuned. So let's get into it. There are several ways a business analyst can specialize, depending on the personal interest, skills, and the industry they are in and domain. So each specialization requires a slightly different skill set and offer unique career opportunities. Let's explore a few of the most prominent ones. So first, we'll talk about the product owners. So let's start with the role of product owner. Many business analysts transition into this role, especially those who work in agile environments. A product owner is responsible for defining the vision of product, managing and the product backlog to ensure the development team is aligned and business goal. So product is nothing but it's a development of a software that we call as a product. Okay. So unlike a business analyst who works across the various projects, a product owner focuses especially on a product or sort of products. So sort of product, it can be a function, one functionality or multiple functionality of a website, example, moving money or like a checkout cart or buying something or onboarding. So there are several examples. These are examples for the products. So they often collaborate closely with the developers, designers and stakeholders to prioritize the features and functionality. So if you enjoy leading product development and have a keen eye both business needs and customer experience, the product owner path could be an excellent fit for you. So next, the data analyst. So we have the data analyst role. This is a great path for business analysts who enjoy working with data, uncovering insights to inform decision making. So data analysts are responsible for analyzing and interpreting data to help organizations make data-driven decisions. So skills like SQL, data visualization tool like Tableau, Power BI, and statistical analysis. So these are the key skills required for this one. So a data analyst needs strong foundation in data analysis tool, right? So statistic and sometimes even programming language like a Python and R, SAS. So this role involves looking at trends, identify patterns, and often creating dashboards or reports to visualize and findings. So if you are detail oriented and love working with data, specializing as a data analyst might be the right up your alley. All right. Okay. So next role can transition into process analyst. So another part to consider is the process analyst. While business analysts often look at the process broadly, right? Process analysts specialize in optimizing this process. Their goal is to make workflows as efficient and effective as possible. So which can include mapping out process, identifying bottlenecks, and recommending improvements. So this role is often good fit those interested in Six Sigma or Lean methodologies, as these techniques are frequently used to analyze and improve process. Process analysts are particularly valuable in industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics, where efficiency is paramount. All right. So next one is system analyst, my favorite. So next up we have the system analyst. If you are a business analyst, the strong technical background. So you don't need to be a developer. So this could be a great fit. System analyst focus on the technical side of business analysis, working with IT teams and ensure the system align with the business requirements. So some common tasks like troubleshooting, configuring a software, and collaborating with developers. So system analyst needs to be comfortable with technical concept and have a good understanding of both business and IT. Example like microservices, API, and backend services, right? So they play a crucial role in selecting, implementing, and managing software solutions that meet business need. Other imaging specialization, okay. uh, Aside from traditional specializations, there are several imaging roles that business analysts can explore. For instance, in recent years we have seen growth in fields like UX analysis, where the business analysts work closely with design team to improve the user experience. Similarly, there are a lot of risk analysts. There is a role of a risk analyst, and fraud analyst, especially in industries like finance or insurance, where managing the risk is essential, right? So, as companies place more value on data-driven decision making and digital transformation, we are also seeing the digital transformation analyst and AI business analyst. These roles are focused on helping companies adapt to digital tools and technologies and leverage AI for a better decision making. So let's do a recap, okay? Conclusion and recap. To wrap things up, the world of business analysis offers diverse career path, from product owners to data analysts, process analysts, system analysts, and even emerging roles. There is a specialization for everyone. Each path has unique responsibilities and requires different skills. So consider what aligns best with your strength and interest. Thanks for turning into episode 4, Business Analyst Blueprint Podcast. If you found this episode helpful, be sure to subscribe and join us next time as we dive into the essential tools every business analyst should know, from Jira to Tableau and beyond. As always, we love to hear from you, so don't hesitate to reach out, leave a comment. Thank you and have a good day.